Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mr. Javed. I am student of Bachelor's in Media Science, second semester, and my roll number is 16772. And my presentation topic is Surah Hujurat. Surah Hujurat is a 49th chapter of Quran with 18 verses. Surah Hujurat contains norms and etiquettes on how to live in a Muslim, on how to establish a Muslim community, Muslim society, and how to react in situation and what to do in what situation and how to behave in front of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. There are main 8 points which it shows to build a society, and the and they are really important in today's world. The first point is Fata Bayanu, verify the news. It's really important to verify the news came from anyone because we don't want to hurt anyone unknowingly. Second point is Fa Aslihu, make peace between um, Muslims, between believers. It is very important when we know that there's a fight between our relation or someone in our family, so it's our duty to make peace between them. Third one is wa'aqsitu, which means do work with justice. Fourth one is la yaskhar, don't joke on other. It is very important to never joke on anyone else, on what someone else is doing, because it can be very traumatizing for them. Fifth one is wala talmizu, don't taunt on other. It is also very important, and in today's society it is very common. Wala tasabazu bilal qab, don't call others with bad names. It's a sixth point. It is very normal in our today's society, and we think that we can do it as a joke, but no, it's not allowed and we can do that. Seventh point is la yakhtab, don't backbite. In females this thing is very common, and people joke about them and take it very normally, which is absolute wrong. We can't backbite about someone, and it contains or it is a very big sin in front of Allah. The last but not the least point is la tajassusu, don't be curious about anyone, don't be knowing about what someone else is doing, what he is going to do, or how he did that, and all. It's not allowed. It is very common in female society in world, but in Islam it is considered wrong, and it is wrong in